Hey everyone, so what is Code Combat? Code Combat is a fun, interesting game-based way to learn Python. Code Combat is a perfect way to get into coding, and especially to start learning typing-based coding. Code Combat teaches Python, which is one of the world's most popular coding languages. Python is a general-purpose coding language that is used in many things such as web development, machine learning, AI, operating systems, video games, and more. Code Combat teaches coding techniques and logic that can also be applied to most coding languages. So let's take a look at one of the first Code Combat levels. Over here on the right is the coding area, where we write all our code. Over here on the left is the play area, where we see the code come to action. This is our hero, who is the person that we code. Up here are the objectives for the level. So the objectives for this level are to avoid the spikes, and collect the gems with our hero. In order to do this, we need to use our move commands. First, we move right with hero.moveRight. Next, we move down to collect the bottom 3 gems. Then we move up twice to grab the top gem, and then to the right to collect the final gem. Let's run our code to see if it works. Our code is working and our hero is collecting all the gems. As you progress, Code Combat teaches more and more concepts such as variables, loops, if-else statements, Boolean logic, functions, object properties, while loops, arrays, for loops, and much more. Thank you for watching and happy coding.